all silver teacups. Okay, this is very easy to understand, children. If you understand this, all silver teacups, okay, then we can do any problem in exam. Okay, first of all, we will learn what is the all silver teacup secret, and what is the trick to remember this all silver teacups. What is mean by first of all silver teacups? Okay, first I am going to draw here this way. See here, children, this is what 90-degree angle. Okay, first of all, this is which quadrant? First quadrant, and this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. Okay, first of all, we have to know these four quadrants. Like this, we have to go from right to left: first, second, third, fourth. Okay, children, now please join this video, children. Very important video to understand all silver teacups. Okay, whoever want to understand and anyone have any doubts, then you can listen this video, you can clear your doubts. Okay, please join this video. In this is 0 degrees. Okay, and this is 90, I have said already, and this is, you make 90 180 degrees. Okay, and next 90 plus 90, 180 plus 90, 270 degrees. Okay, now this 3 becomes 360 degrees. Okay, now we have 2 points, that is quadrants, next angles. Okay, now what in first quadrant, which one will cup? All, now I will write with another pen, all, this is all silver, this one is tea, and this one is cups. Okay, understood, children? Please join this video. Okay, all silver tea cups. Okay, now you got it, 3 points. First one, first quadrant, quadrants, next angles, degrees, and next what we have taken, all silver teacups. Coming to the point, what is mean by all? All means that is sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Okay, this one. These are all positive. All means positive. This all will positive. Okay, now all over completed. Now silver means what? S means sine and cosec. Okay, these are only positive. These two are positives. S means sine and cosec. Now T means T, tan, opposite, cot. These two are positive. And in this, C means cot and sec. Okay, these are important points. So all silver teacups completed. Now which angles are we have to take as positive and which we will change negative sign means? See here, first of all, whenever we get what, 90 means pi by 2, 180 means pi, 270 means 3 pi. Okay, 3 pi, 3 pi by 2, no, sorry, 270 means 90 into 3 pi by 2. 360 we will get when 2 pi. Okay, so these are angles. When we get like this, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2 pi, in this way we get whenever, okay, this is 90, 180, 270, 360. So from here we have to start and goes like this. In this first quadrant we get 90 minus theta. Okay. Next what? Second quadrant, 90 plus theta and 180 minus theta. Okay. In third quadrant, 180 plus theta and again 270 minus theta. Okay. Next 270 minus theta is already, we have to write plus theta here. Here 360 is there. 360 minus theta will come. Here again 360 minus theta is there, but 360 plus theta comes here. 360 plus theta. So these two in this, these two in this, and these two in this. Okay, first quadrant we get 90 minus theta, 360 plus theta. Okay, now 90 plus theta, 180 minus theta in second. Third quadrant, 180 plus theta, 270 minus theta. And in this, these both. Okay, now what we have to remember, when 90 and 270 degrees comes, we get change in the sign, change in the angle, and 180 comma 360 degrees we get angle, no change in the angle. Okay, angles no change, here change in angle. Okay, you will see in problems, these are important points. Okay, now this is completed. We have to know this whole points we have to understand first. Basically we have to understand, do the problems first of all. Okay, understood, children. You got it, I think. See here, again, I will show you. In first quadrant, all, second quadrant, silver, third quadrant, tea, and fourth quadrant, cups. Okay, in this 90 degrees is the right angle, and in this what angle comes 180. 90 plus here 90 means 180, and here 390 is 270, 490 is 360. Complete angle is 360 and straight line is 0 degrees. Okay, now completed degrees. Now what angles we get? Sine, cos, tan, cosec all are positive whenever in first quadrant. Okay, only for this 90 and 360 degrees we get all angles are positive sign. Okay, in silver means sine and cosec in second quadrant. 90 plus theta comes in second. 180 minus theta comes in second. Other will not comes in, belongs to this quadrant. Only two angles belongs to this. Okay, here are positive negative like this. Okay, whenever do any you will do problem, you get solved with doubts. Okay, again here also 1 point 2 points are there to remember whenever you do problems. When we get 90 and 270 degrees, we get no change in angles. Okay, now 180 and 360 comes, no change in angles. Here change in angles I will show in problem so that you can understand problems. By seeing this, you will confuse whatever we use in problems. Okay, what we have to take. Okay, by using this we can do problems. Okay, first of all we have to practice and remember all these points. Okay, I have written in different colors to highlight. Okay, children, all silver tea cups. Okay, now I will show you with some example. Okay, 90 means pi by 2, 180 means pi, 270 means 3 pi by 2, 360 means 2 pi. Okay, these all comes in problems, so we can use in pi. Okay, now find the value of, find the value of sine 120. Okay, find the value of this one. Okay, now find the value of sine 120. Now how you will do this problem? See here, sine 120. Okay, children, how much degree is given? 120, angle is sine. Okay, 120 can be written as 90 plus. Okay, otherwise we can write 180 minus. Okay, I will use 90. Okay, sine 90 plus 30 I am taking angle. Okay, this is degree, sine 90 plus 30 degrees, 120. Sine 90 plus this one, in which quadrant, children? This will comes under which quadrant we have to find. 90 plus 30 means 90 plus theta. This comes under second quadrant. Okay, 90 plus 30 means, first of all we have to see 90 means change in the angle. So sine becomes, okay, sine becomes what? Cos. Change means we have to change opposite, reciprocal of the angle. 1 by sine means, okay, cos. Okay, 90 plus 30 means what you will get? Cos 30 is how much? Cos 30 value we have to write this, that is 1 by root 2. Okay, you know the trigonometry table, find the values, angles of the 0. What values we have to find? 0 degrees, 30, 45, 60 and 90 and degrees. We have trigonometric table. I have uploaded the how to easy trick to remember the values of this degrees. Okay, sorry for the disturbance, children. So okay, I have uploaded so many videos on this table to remember the values. Okay, so please go through my channel to remember the table. Easy trick I have uploaded to remember. Okay, so cos 30 means 1 by root 2. Like this we have to find the value given in the problems. Okay, this is the basic problem, simple problem. So next I will do another problem. Yesterday I have uploaded problems on this topic, children. If you don't understand, please go through this video and next go through that video so that you will easily understand. Okay, next I will do simple problem that is on pi by. Like this you will get pi by 2 plus theta if given in question. Okay, how to do this, children? So many children will confuse to do this trigonometric problem. Very easy to do, children. Sine pi by 2 means, pi means 180, pi by 2 means 90. Okay, sine 90, this means sine 90 plus theta. Okay, sine 90 plus theta, which quadrant? Sine 90 plus theta, second quadrant. Okay, 90 means change is there, so cos theta we will get. Cos, you will get opposite sign, that angle will change, and second quadrant 90 plus theta means cos theta. This is the answer. Okay, this comes under second quadrant, and sine 90 plus theta means 90 means angle changes becomes cos, so cos theta is the value. So this is simple problem. Okay, now tan. Okay, now another problem I will do here. Cos 7 pi by 2. Yesterday I have done this problem. Okay, if you not understood anything, please watch again. Cos minus 7 pi, minus I am writing outside 7 pi by 2. Okay, 7 pi means cos 7 into pi means 180 by 2. Okay children, so how much cos 7 into 180? 0, 7 8s are 56, 7 1s are 7. How much? 2 6 6, sorry, 7 180 70 56 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, 1260 by 2, and 2 6 2 3s 2 zeros, that is minus cos 630 degrees. Okay, minus cos 630 degrees we can again simplify as how much? 360. Okay, 360 plus 270. Okay, 360 plus 270 means how much? Minus cos 360 plus 270. This is, I think this we have to take as theta. 360 plus theta means what we get? 360 means no change in the angle, so we have to write cos as it is. Okay, in which quadrant we will get cos 360 plus theta means in first quadrant, means all are positive. Okay, we will get positive sign. So cos 360 plus theta is cos theta, that is 270 degrees. Again 270 is there, we have to again simplify 180 plus 90 degrees. Okay, cos 180 plus 90. Okay, cos 180 means which? We have change in sign or no change? 180 means no change. Okay, no change means we have to write cos as it is. 180 plus theta in which quadrant? Third quadrant, that is T. Third quadrant means cos 90. Okay, this will comes minus cos 90 degrees equal to minus cos 90 means this is third quadrant, means that is, sorry, third quadrant 180 plus theta, no? So cos 90, and t means tan and cot only positive, but we have cos here, we have cos, so we get minus cos 90. Okay, t and tan and cot only positive, but we have cos here, so this is opposite, that is minus cos 90. Minus into minus plus, cos 90 how much? Cos sin 0, sin 90 1, cos 90 0 we will get, so 0 is the answer. So this is very easy to do children. Sin 90 plus theta is cos theta. So if you do basic problems, then go to long type questions, then you will understand how to do step by step problems like these problems. Okay, 7 pi by 2 means simplify pi as 180 by 2 cos 1260, that is multiplication, and 630 degrees again we have written as 360 plus 270 degrees. Theta, this will becomes theta, instead of we will pronounce it 270 as theta, because 360 plus theta in which quadrant it will comes? This is in first quadrant. Okay, and cos is 360 means this cos is no change is there, so no change means as it is we have to write as cos, but this is in first quadrant means positive only, so minus cos only 270. Okay children, now again we can simplify this 270 as 180 plus 90, that is this angle will comes under 180 plus 90 in third quadrant, that is T. In T, okay, only tan and cot are positive, others are negative, so cos will becomes negative. So 180 means no change or change. 180 means no change. Here I have written the important points as 180 is no change, so no change in angle, but sign is minus we get because it is in third quadrant, so we get minus sign here. So cos 90 is 0, so minus of minus is plus, cos 90 is 0, so this is the answer. Okay, like this we have to solve the trigonometric problem children. If you understand the all silver silver teacups. If you understand this table, this simple, so that you can do every problem in trigonometry very easy to do. Children, please go through my videos in my channel. So the trigonometry videos I have uploaded so many tricks also, how to do problems, how to remember the values of trigonometric table. This is all silver teacups, very easy to remember. I have written in different colors so that you can understand different points to remember. Okay, T means tan and cot, silver means sine and cosec, and cot means cot and sec. All means all angles will come positive. Okay, these two and all becomes positive. Okay, others will becomes negative. When we get 90 to 70, there is change in the angle. If you will get sine, we get cos. Okay, like that, opposite sign. In 180 360, we get no change in angles. Okay, these are degrees. In based on this, we have table, trigonometric table. So easy method, easy trick I have uploaded to remember the table, children. So go through my videos to find out how to remember the table. In exam we have to remember the table, so that go through my videos, children. So 90 means pi by 2, 180, we have to remember all this. Okay, children, like this we have to solve so many problems in trigonometry. So practice these problems, watch complete video, children, so that you can understand all, you will get every point. Okay, now again you get what another problem, but in next video I will upload, children, because I will also explain you again this day 0 degrees, 30 for 30 degrees, 45 and 60 degrees table. Children, I am giving some time, some important time to remember this. How to remember? See, children, I will upload this. I will tell you here sine and cos, tan, cot and sec, and again what, children? Cosec. This is what we have the table. I have uploaded in one video about this trigonometric values to remember, children. So please watch again. Here cosec is there. Okay, this is what the table. Okay, children, cosec. Sine, sorry, here now sine 0. Okay, sine 0, I forgot in this line table column. Okay, sine 0, what we will get? Sine 0. Sine 30, 1 by 2. Sine 45, 1 by root 2. Sine 60, root 3 by 2. And sine 90, 1. Okay, we have to write reverse of this sign. 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. Tan means sine by cos. Okay, cot means cos by sine. Sec means 1 by cos. Cosec means 1 by sine. Okay, reciprocal of 1 by sine, 1 by cos and cos by sine. Cot, tan means sine by cos. This is tan will sine by cos means 0 by 1, 0. Tan means sine by cos. 2 to cancel, 1 by root 3. Again 1 by root 2 cancel 1. Root 3 by 2 to cancel root 3. And this is 1 by 0 undefined. Okay, like this we have to remember. Cot means cos by sine. This one reciprocal of this one, 1 by tan. Okay, cot means undefined. Okay, this one is root 3. 1 by tan means root 3. 1 by 1 means 1. Again 1 by root 3. And this is 0. Sec means 1 by cos. 1 by cos means 1 by 1, 1. 1 by 2 by root 3. 1 by cos means 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 means root 2. 1 by 1 by 2 means 2. 1 by 0 is undefined. Okay, this cosec. 1 by sine means 1 by 0 undefined. Okay, 1 by 2 means 2. 1 by root 2. 1 by root 3 by 2 means 2 by root 3. 1 by 1, that is 1. Okay, like this, children. In I have uploaded this separate video. Okay, so that you can understand easily. This is in this video I am going to giving you somewhat fast explanation so that you can understand very easily. Please go through that video so that you can understand very easily, children. Please, I think you got it, children, how to do the table. Remember how to remember this trigonometric table and how to solve these problems. Okay, basically these are small problems. I will upload next video in trigonometry long questions. Okay, so watch completely so that you can understand trigonometric all silver teacups. Okay, thank you for watching, children. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you, children.